check this out. We got some Nike ID from Kyreezy ID, as you can see right there.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to our channel. Thank you for dropping and thank you for watching. Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode is one of the special that we picked up on the Nike outlet, or we just say best pickup of the week. This one's kind of special or something different to me. So let's move on to sneaker pickup of the week. Let's go. So I would say one of the best pickup of the week and one of the special pickup of sneaker on the outlet. It's mainly because before came into oh, almost dropped the camera. So okay, all right, and as was I'm saying before I came into sneaker thing here. I haven't heard anything about this kind of particular shoes. It's about Yeezy, and they said Yeezy, and it's when we talk Yeezy, it's Adidas. But after I've learned a few things about Yeezy and the creator of Yeezy, I've learned that he was used to be in Nike because he used to design stuff in Nike, and a lot of his design and some of the design is gone wild and like hype as of today. And one of those shoes that he had is like so expensive, and I'm glad not that I'm really glad that Nike is doing something different. But you know, it's just the type of in the sneaker world they copy, or also they make something different, but it's just like the same, something like that. It happens in sneakers. They just rotating color or design on. Now it's some kind Nike still doing the Yeezy, and we got here at the outlet, and this pickup from the Nike outlet. So this one is, as you can see, a white box. This one is the Nike ID. So if you already knew Nike IDs, you can design your own shoes based on the color, anything what you want to do. Okay, this one is the Kyrie 6 ID. But this one, as I said, it was inspired by the Yeezy. Boom. Kyrie 6 Yeezy. Boom. The only difference here is that the actual Yeezy was supposed to have some kind of the color. The used to be the original OG Yeezy. The color is the sole is some kind of greenish something, but the top is somewhat the same with the black and red accent inside. And if you looking on this side, it's just like almost just like the same, especially with those comes with the strap right here, and also the toe box, and also kind of all the way down here the swoosh, and the very soft buttery soft here, just like the one that I seen one of those Jordan. This one, it is really soft, like it bounced back. See it crankles a little bit, but it bounced back and it's really soft. See, and also the used to be the design of the Yeezy is somewhat just like this part and also on this side. So I was like, wearing a Yeezy, but it's not the actual Yeezy. you don't want to spend those thousand for just a pair of sneaker because you want those, and this one is just like the same, and you can wear them and beat them every time and use them. So especially these are made actually for basketball shoes by Kyrie. There we go. And nice design on this bag. Also, I love the paddings right here and very soft. And oh, I forgot to show you. Let me show you. Okay, the retail, it says 160 on the top box right there. 160, but then they're selling for 99, 97, and then I pick them up with the additional 30% off, and also 10% because I open a new Nike account. So if you open a new Nike account on the app, it will give you a 10% discount on the store already. The cashier would ask you, did you already have an app Nike membership or something like that? They will ask you if you want to, because if you want to apply now, you will receive a 10% off on top of the discount. So who wouldn't want to have those, since you already have 30% and then additional 10%? You can't pass on those. You can only make it just like a minute or so, because you just provide them your email and then boom, you got the 10% on the discount. So Yeezy, Nike Yeezy, Kyreezy. So that's all they make the name on this one. The only thing that missing is the color of the midsole. Supposed to be some kind of transparent greenish thing. And also would like to point out this one. The size of this one is size 12. If I could show it to you. But I don't know, maybe it's because of the strap. That's why it fits on me really good. And I'm size 10 and a half. And then I tried to wear it. Why it fits really good on me. And it's not like a huge gap here in the toe bag. It's not. It's like a little half. So probably that's why they return it. It's because it's not true to size. Probably maybe it's causing the strap to make it narrow, so that's why the size 12 is not really the actual that goes on this one. I mean, like, if I was trying like this for my foot, it is kind of big, like right here for 10 and a half. But when my foot's already in, it feels like it really fits on me for 10 and a half foot, and can fit really good on size 12. So I thought I'm just gonna resell it, but hey, probably in the collection. Oh, I just see this. Huh. Let's see. I didn't notice that one. Look at this. Yeezy. They really put it. Yeezy. I didn't see that. I just saw it today. And I am happy getting this. The retail 160. Then I got them somewhere 99, and then additional 30%, and top of it additional 10%. So I'm happy because I got discounted for the same price of 160 and got it down to somewhere 80 something, because I don't have to pay for tax. Somewhere 75, somewhere there. So you think you're not gonna happy for the retail of 160, and you can get them for 75 ish to 80, and the one who is on the other side or to your other side, they are paying for a retail. When you save that less than 80 bucks or 70 bucks, you can buy another shoes. So Ding! That's being a smart sneakerhead. Okay? Alright. So, there's no waste going checking your Nike outlet if you are close to them. Also, if you're close to Adidas outlet, check them once a week if you have the chance, because you might stumble into good stuff. You don't have to force yourself to buy, but just like we do in the Philippines, we used to do window shopping. So you have to window shopping. Okay. All right. So anyway, what do you think about this one? I would love to hear your thoughts on this Nike Air Yeezy. All right. With that being said, I will end up on this video having me the Nike Air Yeezy on hand. Kyrie. Kyrie Air Yeezy. Nike Air Yeezy. Alright. Well, that will be all on this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Hope you like it. Please leave a comment down below. Please a thumbs up. Leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. As always, Nolasco here. I'll see you soon. Peace.